Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where you can buy a 3D printer when using PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now otherwise, back to the tutorial here. So now in order to use PrintUP, obviously ideally you want a 3D printer. So we're going to be looking at which ones I recommend, and then also where to find them. So straight off the bat, if you go over here to buythis.co.za, just zoom in here for you guys so you can nicely see the URL. So you can just type that in Google or in your URL or address bar on top here, and it should take you to buy this. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the menu, the main menu. You want to go machines, and then under this page we want to navigate through all the different ones, but what we're looking at is the 3D printer here on the right. They've got a great variety of different things, which if you're into more than just 3D printing, I recommend check out some of their machines. They also have software for those ones, which we make videos for. But yeah, otherwise we go here to 3D printers. You'll see here is quite a variety of options. Now if you're just indie and you're starting out, I would recommend trying one of the smaller ones to kind of get your hands wet, see if it works, if you can obviously afford to go small and then big. But just keep in mind also which ones you have to pre-order and which ones are in stock. Currently we have here quite a nice one in stock, but yeah, so I would say just contact them. They've got a great sales. You can also go through their actual WhatsApp, and then you can just chat to them there about which one you think is best for your needs. But like I say, if you're going indie, something small should do the job. But if you're actually a professional company and you plan on doing this more in the long term for big clients, then I would recommend grab one of their big machines, and then that will make your life way more simple. But yeah, otherwise that is it where you can get a 3D printer. Just a reminder, this is not your classic 3D printing, this is channel lettering. So yeah, we did cover that in the about video, but just a quick recap. So you want to go to buythis.co.za and then go to machines and then 3D printers, and then you will find the different options here. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile though, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.